And now to a blue chip company, American Express, which is looking a little black and blue these days. The payments giant lost some key business recently, prompting some to ask if the company has lost its way. And that is a question CEO Ken Chenault will likely have to answer during the firm's investor day tomorrow. Mary Thompson takes a look at what's ailing American Express.
Its cards, a fixture in millions of wallets. The company in need of a fix.
The biggest threat that American Express faces is I think, instilling confidence in the investment community that its business model is not broken.
CEO Ken Chenault is looking to do just that at the firm's Investor Day Wednesday. A long-term holding of the billionaire investor Warren Buffett, the firm has run into recent trouble. Its stock is the third worst performer in the Dow over the last 12 months. And it has lost and is now appealing an antitrust suit brought by the Justice Department. It also lost a co-branding relationship with JetBlue. And come January, analyst Chris Donat points out it loses profits and its status as the only card accepted at Costco stores.
There's no way around it. That's a big loss. When you combine Canada with the U.S., you get to a number that looks like it's pretty close to 10% of earnings.
When he speaks to investors, Chenault needs to lay out his plan to recoup those lost profits by the firm's deadline of 2017. Analyst Bill Carcacci sees cost-cutting being the primary tool Chenault uses, as it's helped Amex lift profits in the past.
The reason why they've been able to drive revenue growth in excess of expense growth and get that positive operating leverage in part is because of expense control. And I think going forward, there's still more expense levers left.
Along with cost cuts, analysts see buybacks and higher income from loan balances as part of the plan. They also anticipate Amex will ask merchant partners to take on some of the costs of the rewards programs, something retailers may be open to because of Amex's biggest asset, its high-spending client base.
When you look at the annual spending on an American Express card, it's in the neighborhood of about $15,000. When you compare that to like a Discover card or cards of other major issuers, it tends to be 3 or 4 times larger.
Amex's clients are loyal too, and that customer base is what analysts bet will be the platform the firm builds on to bring the business back to where it was. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Mary Thompson.